Hi, let's do a very important chapter for SSC examination, which is HCF, highest common factor. We also say this term HCD, highest common divisor, or greatest common measure. Let us start with factor. What is factor? Suppose there are two numbers a and b. If we say that a is a factor of b, then b is exactly divisible by a. So this b is exactly divisible by a. For example, 36 is exactly divisible by 3, or 36 is exactly divisible by 6. So these are the factors 3, 6. So for 36, 3, 6, 9, 12, 18 are the factors. Alright, let's go to the another important topic, which is common factor. When we explore common factor, then we have to keep in mind that we are dealing with at least two numbers. So at least we deal with two numbers. Alright, so let's say we have two numbers 36 and 40, and we want to find the common factor. So common factor would be a number, suppose a, which divides 36 and 40 exactly without leaving any remainder. So we can say 4 divides 36 and leaves no remainder, which is 4 into 9 is equal to 36. And 4 also divides 40, which is 4 into 10, 40. So a number which divides two or more numbers exactly is called a common factor. So for these two numbers 36 and 40, 4 is a common factor. Alright, now let's go to the next important topic, how we can find HCF of two or more numbers. And we will start with the very basic method, which is find the HCF of two numbers first with the help of, or with the method of, prime factors. Prime factors, you know about factors. Prime factors would be the factors which are prime numbers. So prime numbers are the numbers which is divisible by 1 and its own number. So suppose 7 is divisible by 1 or 7. So this is a prime number. 5 is a prime number divisible by 1 and 5. So prime factors of two numbers, first we'll have to find the, suppose we have a problem which is find the HCF of 42 and 70. So first we will factorize these two numbers separately. So let's factorize these two numbers. First we will factorize 42. So we see 2, 3 and 7 are the prime factors because these are the prime numbers as well. And for 70, 2, 5 and 7 are the prime factors. Now we will find the common factors. So 2 is common and 7 is common. So HCF of these two numbers 42 and 70 using the prime factor method will be, from the common we will take 2 and 7 and we will multiply these two and we get HCF as 14. So this is the one method of finding the HCF. Another method is division method. So let's do the division method. We will use the same example to make you understand better. So in the division method, we actually divide the bigger number by the smaller number, and we can see in 1 times we can divide it first. We cannot go for 2 times because 2 times will make this number bigger, which is 84, and we cannot then divide it, uh, subtract it, sorry. So now 70 minus 42 will be 28. Now this 42 will come here. This is 42. Why this goes here? It is because whatever remainder we get, now we find the HCF of the remainder what we get and the divisor, and we go on like this till we get our solution. So now we will divide 42 by 28. So again in 1 time it will go and we get 14, and now this 28 will come here, and 14 twos are 28, and there is no remainder. Once we get remainder as 0, then this term becomes our solution. Therefore HCF is 14. Alright, so these are the two basic methods, but in my coming videos there will be many methods and many complex problems on the same topic. So please come back and see other videos. Thank you.